Today I am reviewing the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo with 4,000 Pascal suction. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a revolutionary way to keep your home clean without lifting a finger, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop Combo is an absolute game changer. This isn't just any ordinary robot vacuum. It's a two-in-one powerhouse that combines advanced vacuuming and mopping capabilities, delivering a truly hands-free cleaning experience that makes everyday life so much easier. First, let's talk about the two-in-one mopping and vacuuming system. Unlike other robots that just sweep or just mop, the ROPVACNIC S1 uses advanced electronically controlled mopping technology. This means it can tackle stubborn stains, dirt, and footprints with precision. It features a high-capacity water tank with a 4-stage, personalized water adjustment system. So whether you have delicate wooden floors, tiled areas, or even minor spills in the kitchen, you can set it to clean exactly how you want. It's like having a mini cleaning expert in your home 24/7. Now, the intelligent control options really make this robot stand out. It comes with multiple cleaning modes. They're fully customizable via your smartphone. Whether you want a full house deep clean or just a targeted spot clean, it can handle it effortlessly. And for those of you who love convenience, the ROPVACNIC supports voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. Imagine starting your vacuum from the comfort of your couch or while cooking in the kitchen. Literally no effort required. It's true hands-free cleaning, and it's incredibly satisfying to watch it work autonomously. When it comes to suction power, the ROPVACNIC doesn't disappoint. With a robust 4,000 Pascal suction and a 3-point cleaning system, this robot ensures your floors are spotless. Dust, crumbs, or even pet hair are no match for its high suction levels. Its compact design allows it to navigate under sofas, beds, and other hard-to-reach areas with ease. Plus, it adapts to a wide range of surfaces from hardwood floors to low-pile carpets, delivering consistent results everywhere it goes. Speaking of intelligence, the ROPVACNIC is equipped with advanced high-coverage sensors and multiple algorithmic navigation points. It can detect obstacles, avoid furniture, and even adjust its cleaning path in real time. On top of that, it's fully self-recharging. Once it's low on battery, it automatically returns to its charging dock, recharges, and even resumes cleaning where it left off. This level of automation means you can maintain a clean home without having to constantly monitor it. Pet owners, here's where the ROPVACNIC really shines. The robot is designed with an exclusive no-entanglement brush system, which means your furry friend's hair won't get tangled in the roller brushes. Its dual rotating side brushes sweep hidden hair and dust from edges and corners, making it perfect for households with cats, dogs, or shedding pets. No more messy cleanups or clogged brushes, just consistent, effortless cleaning. In summary, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop Combo is a premium solution for anyone who values cleanliness, convenience, and smart technology. From its two-in-one mopping and vacuuming capabilities to intelligent control, powerful suction, self-recharging automation, and pet-friendly design, it's designed to make your life easier in your home cleaner. If you want a hands-free cleaning experience that actually works, this robot is definitely worth considering.